Ok Guido, adesso ti faccio presentare dal nostro collega che segue la parte software per Mozaik, un software estremamente interessante dedicato, direi, principalmente per l'educazionale, che viene dato in bundle con i nostri monitor della serie 5.
Che è la nuova serie dei vostri display interattivi.
Dei nostri display interattivi. Allora io ce lo vedo, chiaramente nasce per l'educazionale, ma io lo vedo anche in ambito corporate perché ha tantissimi sbocchi in 3D che vanno a spiegare tante cose, quindi a livello didattico sì, ma non solo scuola.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Maxim and I would like to introduce you Mozaik Education. So our flagship product is Mozabook. So you see that it's available in 40 different languages, Italian as well. For the sake of my convenience I will tell everything in English, but the content I will show in Italian. Okay, let me open the publication. So actually Mozabook is the educational software for teachers and also for students. Teacher can easily import different PDF files using very simple function import PDF. Of course, I know that Smart are very popular in Italy as well, and for this we also have import of IWD files, so those presentations which you have in Smart can be easily imported in Mozabook, and teachers and students can use them later on. Okay, let me demonstrate the sample lesson, how it can be carried out by the teacher. So for this I will have to create new exercise book, and let's imagine the topic of our lesson is Rome. So using special pen, it's a hand recognition pen, so you see the text is formatted in this style, and the most spectacular part is our media library, which consists of a collection of images, videos, audios and 3D scenes. So teacher can easily integrate different interactive content in his or her lesson. So by doing this we can search something related to Rome, for instance this theater of Pompeii. So we can insert it in the presentation, and now I will show you the inside of 3D model. And for this I will switch the language to Italian. Currently we have around 1,200 different models which cover the age group from 6 till 18. And basically all major subjects. Science, geography, history, maths, physics, biology, basically everything. So now we're inside the 3D model. As I promised, I will switch it to Italian, so here it is. And now basically you see that not only the interface but the content itself is in Italian. And yeah, what can you do here? You can rotate the model 360 degrees. You can zoom in and zoom out. If you're interested in this part and you don't know what it is, you can click on the star and it gives you the description. Ok?
Devo dire che è uno strumento didattico estremamente innovativo.
Go more into details just to see the theater from the inside. So of course we would, I mean, if we want, we can enlarge the picture. We can go even more into details and see the interior. Okay, and so on. Another important thing that the software can be bilingual. So meaning that in those cases where the school, the students of the school is taught in several languages, now we're using in Italian, but as a backup language it can be, for instance, English. And now if you click on the flag, you see it's automatically converted to English. Okay, so you know that education is not only about presenting information, but also teachers would like to verify how well students know the material. And for this sake, there is the button to generate the exercise. Okay, yes. So here are different samples. So for instance, we would like to use this one, and the test is generated by the system automatically. Okay, just very randomly I will demonstrate you how it can be done in the classroom. Okay. So once the student is done, the teacher can verify. Just simply click on this tick and you see the results, 4 correct, 4 incorrect. This is my results, but if the teacher would like to show the correct answers, so another parameter and it gives the correct answers. And if the teacher would like to expand the lesson and the test, here are different exercise types which he or she can choose from. For instance, very easily, here is the template with images and text, so the teacher can select this. For instance, we only need 2 options, so we can
Quindi in questo modo l'insegnante può preparare la sua lezione personalizzata.
Sì, non solo, perché io ce lo vedo anche in ambito business, perché una scuola guida, per esempio, ci sono le parti del motore.
Assolutamente sì.
Quindi non necessariamente ragazzini, ma laddove c'è la necessità di spiegare un qualcosa con tutti i modelli 3D che hanno realizzato, effettivamente c'è la possibilità di andare a spiegare meglio quello che è il concetto.
Basically, regarding our software, that it's possible for teachers to have their own existing textbooks. So let me close all windows. Yes, this is the sample textbook, but basically any PDF can be imported like I showed you before, and the teacher can insert these icons here on the side of the textbook. Can be done very easily. So you just have to go here, 3D scenes, then select small icon, and just, for instance, this one. And here, if you save and upload to the cloud, it stays basically for the time being. That's why it saves a lot of time for teachers not to create everything from scratch. Also, we have a fascinating gallery of tools and games. So for instance, let's take a look at physics. I think this tool is very cool. It's optical kit. It's simulation of the laboratory, and it's also convenient, and it can save money for school not to buy the equipment, but everything the same, only in a digital format. Of course, there are some pre-saved templates, but we can make it from scratch the way we want it. So just the source of light, the light bulb. Okay, we just place it, and then we can use different type of lenses. Okay. It's interactive, so different views. So, and of course, in order not to waste, we can pin it in our presentation image, and it can be also inserted in our presentation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your
you.
time. It was
Thank
my
you.
pleasure.
Thank you very much.